my channel. So in this video, we're going to discuss the difference between a Medicare agent and a Medicare broker. We're also going to talk about the differences between a captive and a non-captive agent. What are the differences? Before we continue, I just want to say welcome back to the channel. And also, if you're not subscribed, I need to know why. I need to know why. If you are subscribed, definitely make sure you hit the notification bell so that way when I pop through, you're like, there she is. So anyways, guys, if you want to know the differences, keep watching this video. All right, guys, before we begin, I have a secret that I've been keeping from you guys. I apologize in advance, okay? Now I can't hold it anymore, okay? I am so excited to say that I went ahead and did the certification to become a loan signing agent. I just felt like this was a really quick and simple way to add a valuable service to my clients. I feel like I could either provide this service for free or at a very low cost. So I'm so excited that I went ahead and took the course because I have my notary stamp. I literally just got it today. So I just wanted to share that, and I also wanted to share the fact that I do have a lot of young subscribers and they ask me all the time, like, what else can I do to make money independently besides doing insurance? And I think this is a great way to add something that you could do that doesn't have a lot of cost that you can add to your resume. I really think this is a great business to start if you don't have much money to start a business, especially if you're not a sales type of person, but you do want to generate income. If you do not consider yourself to be a salesperson, I actually don't consider myself to be a salesperson, but if you do not like sales, I think this is a great way to add a service, or this could be your main income. You could do this full-time, work your way up. You are the type of person that pays attention to great detail because you do not want to be making mistakes on your application. Yeah, definitely look into this. This is not something that I can say what the steps are for other states. I only could vouch for Florida. So yeah, definitely look into becoming a loan signing agent. Depending on the document that you're notarizing, you can make $75 or more per gig. All right, guys, so this video is definitely not about notary. It's not about having all these extra gigs. This video is about what is the difference between a Medicare agent and a Medicare broker. All right, guys, first, I think it's very important to understand what is a captive agent versus a non-captive agent. I feel like a lot of people feel like if they're captive, that means they're only selling one product or only selling for one insurance carrier, and that is not the case. I feel like the simplest way to remember is remember the term captive. You are locked in to a contract. You could work for an agency, or you can work for one particular insurance carrier, but you have an agreement to use your license to only sell products with that agency or that particular one insurance carrier. Say you work for an agency that offer different products to their clients, and they also have different insurance carriers under their umbrella. So that means they sell cat care insurance, they sell dog care insurance, they sell bird care insurance. They offer all of those services. So you do have a variety to offer your clients different services, different insurance policies, but you could only use your license with that agency, that company, or that one particular carrier. You have parked your license with that company. That is what makes you captive. It doesn't matter how many products you can or cannot sell. The part that makes you captive is that you have to use your license with that company. Now, what is non-captive? When you're non-captive, you are not signing a contract saying that you have to place your license with that particular agency or that particular carrier or whatever the case may be. It's basically opening your toolkit and saying, oh, I want to represent cat care, I I want to represent dog care. I want to represent bird care. I want to represent snake care, and the list can go on and on. You can represent all the insurance companies that you desire because you're not captive. The agreement is not that you have to stay with their company. You can move around as you choose. That is the difference between captive and non-captive. It has nothing to do with how many insurance services you can offer your clients. Now, whether you're captive or non-captive, I feel like the most important question to ask when you are entering a contract with a company or an FMO, I think that you should ask, what if I want to be released? What is your releasing policy? I think that's more important than being captive or non-captive. You do not want to be in a situation where you actually want to leave, but you are on a 6-month hold before you can actually leave. So now that we got that out the way, captive versus non-captive, let's talk about agent versus a broker. A lot of people use this word very loosely, and some people don't even know the difference. Is there a difference? There is absolutely a difference. So if you are an agent, you represent only one product, okay? That one product may have different services within that product, but you only represent one product. For an example, you represent dog care insurance. Dog care insurance have several services, but those are the only options you can offer your clients. Is whatever is under the dog care insurance umbrella. Now let's talk about a broker. So with a broker, you represent dog care insurance, cat care insurance, snake care insurance. You represent all type of different insurance carriers. So when a client comes to you, you can put them in the spot that is best for them, because to you, it does not matter if you sell the dog care product or the cat care product. You just want to make sure that your client is in the best position. So that's the difference between an agent and a broker. If you are an agent and you only represent one product and you could only offer those services under that product's umbrella, then you may not have the best option for that client. Let me give you a real life example. So my son's grandmother was agent into Medicare. She had just turned 65. She met a Medicare agent and he sold Medicare supplements. He only sold Medicare supplements with this one particular company that is captive. So he is a captive agent that sells Medicare supplements. She could go to any doctor in the US and she could travel with this plan. So this is a top-notch plan. But there was one problem. The plan cost her almost $300 per month, and she clearly could not afford the plan. Another problem is that she had a need that he could not fulfill. He did not sell Medicare Advantage plans. He could only offer Medicare supplements with one Medicare supplements company. So he can't even do comparison with prices. That could be a problem depending on the demographic that you serve. So in my opinion, I think it's very important to have different tools in your toolbox. So when you start your insurance business, these are the questions you want to ask yourself. Do you want to be captive or non-captive? Do you want to be an agent or a broker? Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned a lot, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye guys. Peace for now. Peace and always love. Bye.